Death can come at any time. Death can come at any time. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Death at any moment, just the thought of this is heavy. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Are you really ready to die? Ready to die. Are you ready to die? Something ghostly provokes me. Satanly I spoke thee. Fucking die slowly, I'm lonely. Popping these pills like pop homies and dope fiends. Popping their veins like first twat. Speed lock jaw, locking like a pit bull's bite. Death chasing my tail. I know we got that get right, so I'm strapped up, magged up. Put my axe up in case death wanna go and set up balls and try and act up. Stay calm, everybody vacate the room. When tragedy and chemistry combine, it's like boom, make way. Everybody get the fuck out the way. Tragic chemistry is back in effect. Who wanna play? Everybody's ready to die till it's definitive. But when I stand in front of God, you know I'm pleading innocent. Acting all belligerent, I better get a speedy trial. I know I'm gonna lose, but fuck it, I'm in denial. Fuck it, murder is my style and it's written in genetic codes. It's tragic fucking chemistry. You know how the story goes, you know how we drop it flows. Lacing truth in every line. I got you thinking life and death like demons in your spine. Violent crimes, wicked rounds till I die. I'ma live it up, and Satan never had my soul because I wouldn't give it up. Every time I rip it up, it could be my last. Cause we're seconds closer to death with every second past. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Death at any moment, just the thought of this is heavy. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Are you really ready to die? Ready to die. The clock keeps ticking, I'm getting a bad vibe. Like an ominous presence in the back of my mind. I gotta survive and stay alive till the day comes. I'm stuck in the paradox like I'm living out, I'm living out a rerun. Pass a gun, pass a clip, pass it quick. Let me put it to my lips and blow my brain to bloody bits. Give my neck a little slit where I cut it once before. Let my life drain, die slow and bleed out on the floor. I don't give a fuck about death, I'm going to hell. The graves where I dwell, filling up graves but don't tell. I ain't obscene, fuck it, I'm just spitting the facts. Never understood the definition till I got asked. Ain't religious in a sex since I murdered for cash. My soul is dancing with the devil, motherfucker, want it back. Paganistic sick fuck, living hell busting gas. The only way I'm gonna live is if I fall on back. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Death at any moment, just the thought of this is heavy. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Are you really ready to die? Ready to die. Deadly devastation for Satan is what I'm facing. Cause I'm locked up in a cell and hell my soul is steady pacing. Mind is steady racing, torture will resume and soon. Hell, fire and brimstone is my eternal doom. While my body's in the tomb, rotting, every thought of me forgotten. But my victor soul's memories of my gun. Cracking one, Glock two shots right up in your head. I never really thought that I'd be paying when I'm dead. My spirit's invoked, I'm at a loss, I choke. The only words coming out are depressive with no hope. Gun smoke fills my brain, taste the metal and pain. I fall out and hit the floor and then I empty my brain. On this cold piece of street where my body now lays. I'm fucked up, dead cold, then I'm one with the earth. Karma caught up with my days and now I'm stuck in the dirt. It's funny how the world works when you do not change. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Death at any moment, just the thought of this is heavy. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Are you really ready to die? Ready to die. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Death at any moment, just the thought of this is heavy. Death can come at any time. Are you ready? Are you really ready to die? Ready to die. Tragic chemistry is back in effect. Back in effect.